What's up, guys? This is John Spear Warhammer. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today I wanted to show you guys the limited edition Wera American screwdriver bottle opener combo. So got these bad boys off of KC Tool. You know, pretty sweet little deal. I only had a few of them that make the, you know, got the standard, you know, ergonomic handles, the laser tips, but these special edition ones come with a really cool little Captain American star. So let's open it up and see what we got. So first up, we got the bottle opener made with like a nickel finish. Looks pretty sweet. Got the star, the red grips with the blue handle. And then got the number 2 screwdriver, 4 inches long shaft, and then with the good old laser tip. You guys can see that. You know, that's a standard thing that Wera's got patent on. Really cool little patent. Helps the screws stay on there like almost every single time. Once again, this thing's got the American tip, or the American butt, and let's see, no other little markings. Comes in the limited edition box. Alright, hope you guys like this quick little video on the limited edition Wera tool set. Once again, my name is John Spear. I'm with Warhammer Electric, and hope you guys have a great day.